Zuni Entertainment.
Listen, Brown Production. This life, this life, this life, this life, this life.
Listen.
I want to tell you about this life. You get to be patient to come to the limelight. This thing is why you get to the lights. I'm telling you, the this gaga. Come to the light. Listen, you the glimpsing and you be ballet. Tobacco, wallo see lele. I'm telling you, my brother, baby you be ballet. I'm telling you, one day you go canle. Listen, ain't one is enough. Otherwise, don't make it too late for you to realize. I'm telling you, this life we live like just dice. I'm telling you, one day we go all go paradise. But never live your life like Judas. Make sure you live your life just like Christ. I'm telling you, my brother, why you dey bother yourself? Just of the things of the world, take them easy. Soon I don't be me and you get time. One day you go die, you go live and go. Why then you struggling too harder? They kill your brother, say you go live forever. One day you go die, you go live time. Nobody gonna live forever. Nobody gonna stay forever. Nobody gonna live forever. Nobody gonna stay forever. Just like we so. This life really is so. Listen, what shall it profit you to get the whole world and lose your soul? My brother, you got to be a man with a patientness. You see, the patient of it is the fattest bone. Why did you be a cool-minded person? Now you the cleansing and you be landlord. You own the whole world, they use one another. They teach one another. They claim sinner, you be the King Kong. You will never die. No king stay forever. No man shall live forever. This world is a marketplace. If you buy finish, aye loja, wakada lonely. Why you then being so in hurry? To meet to your God. I seen a life now step by step, one by one. You go get to your destiny. You got to do it easy. Make it easy, just to make it easy. Surulaye, Surulaye. Nobody gonna live forever. Nobody gonna stay forever. Nobody gonna live forever. Nobody gonna stay forever. Just like we be so. Just like we be so. I look up to the sunshine. I think how people dying, how people living. I know this world. When we hurt the brothers, when we hurt the sisters, how we gon' make this night better? How we gon' make today? You will see tomorrow. When did you hate your brother? When did you hate your sister, my own? Why did you hate your fellow brother? Oh Make you know they give to God, they do it easy. I dey tell you, boy, life not so easy. I'm telling you my name now, NGC, yo. Sulaye,